because it demonstrates how Copilot can become a natural and helpful part of your entire Windows experience. Like, just stop and imagine. You're in your flow, you're on your PC, working away or having fun, just talking to Copilot naturally, and it understands and assists you along the way in what you're doing. It really is going to be a whole new way of experiencing the world. All right, finally, let's talk about these new experiences that are only possible on Copilot Plus PCs. Because of the 40 TOPS NPU and over 40 new on-device AI models, the PC can now process and reason over information in a way it has never been able to do before. It actually understands your context and your intent. In other words, the PC better adapts to you, as Satya said, versus you having to adapt to it. Let's show you what we mean through our new feature, Recall. Now, let me set it up. The opportunity for Recall starts simply by seeking to solve one of the most frustrating problems that we encounter daily, right? Searching for a file or a photo or an email or even a web page from just a few days ago, it should be simple, but often it's just not. You know, you have to remember, hey, where did I put that file folder? Or where was it in many of my browser tabs that were open? Or worse, I have to go through thousands of emails to try and find what we're doing. And you guys have had that problem, right? And then, worse, we've created these cumbersome workarounds for this very human problem. We email ourselves to remind ourselves. Or we keep a lot of browser tabs open, which clutter the experience and they actually slow the PC down. Even worse, some of us write notes that we put on our computer just to remind ourselves. And yet, I find it ironic that you can search for literally millions of documents on the internet and find literally anything in sub-second time. So why is that? And we stopped and asked ourselves. And really, at the end, the foundation level, it's because the ways PCs store content is not aligned with how we remember and connect with information as humans. PCs like to organize information in database structures, like File Explorer, while our minds think more in relationships. We remember information in relation to people, time, and places. We're inherently more visual, and we create associations and connections that are unique to each of our life experiences. With Recall, we're going to leverage the power of AI and the new system performance to make it possible to access virtually anything you have ever seen on your PC. It's going to be, honestly, as if you have photographic memory. And the ability to access this memory with simply your words in a form that's natural for you. And Recall is only going to be possible on these advanced PCs. To show you Recall, I'd like to welcome our product leader on Windows who built this incredible new capability, Carolina Hernandez. Welcome, Carolina. Thanks, Carolina. Give us an overview of Recall, please.
Yeah, absolutely. I would love to. My team developed Recall to help you find anything you have ever seen or done on your PC. We leverage the power of the NPU to ensure content stays on your device, which makes the experience fast and maintains your privacy. OK, let me show you a few ways that Recall helps me. Like all of you, I am constantly jumping between different tasks throughout my day. Managing my time between a career I am passionate about, staying connected with my family and friends around the world, and the hobbies that I love. Recall helps me get through all these tasks more quickly. My family and I have been searching for the perfect dress for my grandmother, who lives in Colombia, to wear at my cousin's wedding. I've been browsing Pinterest and shopping websites for some options that I can share with her. After looking for options for a few weeks, I wanted to go back and see some of the favorite blue dresses I have found, but I didn't keep all my browser tabs open. With Recall, I can just search for